Hey everyone, this is Serge with your Microcontroller Minute. This is part 10 of the KEYESTUDIO 37-in-1 sensor kit, the relay module. I use the Fritzing software to show you how to connect everything, so here's what you'll need. An Arduino microcontroller, preferably the UNO version or similar, a 400 tie point breadboard, a USB cable, the relay module from the 37-in-1 sensor kit, a small DC motor, a 4 AA battery holder, and 4 AA batteries, and 8 to 12 jumper wires. Place the relay module on the breadboard towards the middle. Connect the pin labeled S to digital pin 8. Connect the middle pin to 5 volts, then connect the pin labeled minus to ground. Connect the positive pin of the DC motor to the terminal labeled NO, or normally open, on the relay module. Connect the terminal labeled common to the positive wire on the battery holder connector. Then connect the negative wire on the DC motor to the negative wire on the battery holder connector. Insert the 4 AA batteries into the battery holder and snap the battery connector in place. Your motor should not spin. If it does, then you have an error with the relay module connection and needs to be switched. Now, here is what it looks like in the real world. Grab the USB cable, connect it to the Arduino, and then connect to your computer. We'll use the Arduino IDE software for programming the Arduino UNO. Open the IDE, go to Tools, then Boards, then Arduino AVR boards, then select the Arduino UNO. Then go to Tools again, go to Port, then select the serial port where your Arduino is connected. Upload the following 10 lines of code. The DC motor should begin to spin and stop. Side note, you can use a small roll of electrical tape to keep the wheel in place. The relay module serves as a switch that toggles on and off to open and close a circuit. This relay module is rated up to 250 volts AC, alternating current, at 10 amps, or 30 volts DC, direct current, at 10 amps. Try modifying the relay module. Disconnect the battery holder, disconnect the Arduino, change the wire connection from NO to NC. Normally closed. Power on the Arduino and reconnect the battery holder and see what happens. Once you get the hang of it, come back and join us for the next module.